comes in many forms, and today we are here to witness a love that is as strong as it is unique. We acknowledge that love, like fine liquor, matures with time. It's a blend of different elements, each contributing its own flavor, character, and depth to the mix. Today, Jamie and Ben have chosen to symbolize their unity in a way that resonates deeply with them by exchanging a shot of liquor. Jamie and Ben, before you, you have 2 shots of liquor. These shots represent the individual journeys you have taken, the unique experiences that have shaped you, and the different flavors that make you who you are today. Just as you are unique, so are these shots. Now, as you exchange these shots, you are not only sharing a part of yourselves, but also blending your individual stories into one. As you raise your glasses and take a sip together, you symbolize the harmonious union of your lives, where the different elements come together to create something beautiful and more profound than before. As you have exchanged these shots and shared this moment, remember that just like the liquor you've tasted, your love will continue to evolve and deepen over the years. May your marriage be filled with the richness of love, the warmth of laughter, and the depth of understanding.